Hello, in this video I would like to discuss about the location of a country called Palau. So this is a country that is placed in Western Pacific area. So we'll discuss the location of it with reference to other surrounding areas. And to have some brief facts about Palau, it got independence in the year 1994. Earlier to 1994, prior to this year, it used to be under United Nations Trust Territory. So it used to be under United Nations Trust Territory. So United Nations Trust Territory gave United States US to look after Palau. So US, after administering it for 47 years, gave independence to Palau in the year 1994. And Palau is a part of Caroline Islands. So we have Caroline Islands in Pacific Ocean. So Caroline Islands mainly make up this country of Palau and Federated States of Micronesia. So we'll see what are these federated states of Micronesia. So these Caroline Islands are a group of belt of islands that are in Pacific Ocean that mainly comprises of Palau country and federated states of Micronesia. So as this we come to know that Palau is a part of Caroline Islands, and this is famous for banning recently the sunscreen lotions. So as sunscreen lotions that humans use are causing threat to the corals, as Palau is mainly made up of coral reefs. So this has banned this kind of sunscreens that are causing harm to corals. So for this reason it made news recently, and the main sustenance of people of Palau is tourism and fishing and agriculture. So these are the main occupations of people of Palau, and Palau has huge barrier reef system around it. Now we'll see that while discussing about the brief mapping of Palau, and we'll see all these areas and Western Pacific region and Philippine Sea, and Palau is located in the Philippine Sea, so on Western Pacific Ocean. And Palau has got around 200 islands. These 200 islands are majorly made up of or majorly originated from volcano and reefs, coral reefs. So these are the two major origins of these 200 islands of Palau. And now we'll see all these things in relation to the location of Palau. So to have a brief map about Palau, it would look something like this. It is a group of 200 islands. So this doesn't have a discrete outline like this, but to have an outline of the grouping of the islands, I'm just giving this picture. So this is the outline of group of Palau Islands in Western Pacific Ocean. So group of 200 islands. So Palau has got its capital name Gerulmud. So this is the capital of Palau. So that is somewhere located in south region. And Palau has got the largest island with the name Babel Daob. So Babel Daob is occupying the central part somewhere around here in Palau. This is Babel Daob. This is the largest island in among all the islands of Palau, and Gerulmud is the capital of Palau. So these are the two important things in this particular islands. And Palau has got Micronesia, Federated States of Micronesia, on its northeast. So Palau is located here to the southwest of Federated States of Micronesia. So like United States of America, we have some states. We have Federated States of Micronesia in this region. So these Federated States of Micronesia are 4 in number. They are Pohnpei, Kusrau, Yap, and Chuuk. So these 4 states form the Federated States of Micronesia. So that is this Federated States of Micronesia. There are around 600 islands under this Federated State of Micronesia. So Federated States of Micronesia are located to this end on the northeastern side of the thing we are discussing now, that is Palau. And now we have Guam. Guam on the northern side of Palau. So Guam is also a kind of island. So Guam is also on the north of Palau. And New Guinea. So New Guinea is on the south of Palau. So here we have New Guinea. And here we have Philippines. So the islands of Philippines. So Philippines are on the west of Palau. So Philippines are on the west of Palau. New Guinea is on the south of Palau. and Federated States of Micronesia on the northeastern side of Palau, and Guam Islands on the north of Palau. So these are all the basic location. This is how Palau is located. So now we'll see about this barrier reef system that is surrounding Palau. So Palau has got a barrier reef system all around its western border. So this is a huge barrier reef along the western border. This is continuous reef. So this is a continuous barrier reef on the west, and the same reef is broken on the east. So here it has this barrier reef that is broken into pieces, that is not as continuous as it has in on its west. So broken barrier reef, but more or less it is surrounded with barrier reef, a huge barrier reef all around the country is present. So this is the basic thing about Palau, that is present in Western Pacific and on the Philippine Sea. Here is Philippine Sea, just besides Philippines we have Philippine Sea. So on the Philippine Sea, on the western part of Pacific Ocean, we have these islands of Palau that have around 200 islands that will have a rough border like this. And Babel Dawab is the largest island of Palau, and Gerulmud is the capital of Palau. It has got New Guinea on its south, Philippines on its west, Guam on its north. Here I have given the listing, so you can relate this listing. So it has Guam on its north, and Federated States of Micronesia that have 600 islands. So Federated States of Micronesia on its northeast. So there are 4 states of under 600 islands. They are Pohnpei, Khusrau, Yap and Chuuk. So these 4 states are under Federated States of Micronesia. So these 4 states of Federated States of Micronesia and Palau totally constitute the Caroline Islands. So Caroline Islands in the Western Pacific Ocean. So this is the brief map of Palau, and thank you.